My name on social media is the same thing, Claudia Kompa Dance Instructor. You have it on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. On Facebook is New Life Dance Studio, but also if you put Claudia Kompa Dance Instructor, you're gonna see our posts. So right now we are going down, we are decreasing on social media because the algorithm of social media changed. I'm asking you to interact more on our videos, to like, to share our videos please, so the algorithm can keep boosting our videos and more people can see our work. Because we are not doing this for views, for attention. We're trying to inspire and empower as many people we can to advocate for mental health, so more people can be motivated to come and learn from us, especially to get to know their passion, who they are, through music and dance. Please like, share, leave a comment as a feedback, a positive feedback. I love you.